Probation.
They have to demonstrate to the probation officer they have done something wrong. Secondly, is that they make an effort of trying to do something different. They don't hang around with the same group of people. They don't go out to the same spot that they used to go. But then they stay home a lot. They help the parents to do the chores. They take care of the siblings. They go to school more often. Attendance becoming very good. And for the parent, it's important to show the probation officer what have they done, or what can they do to help the kid.
Look into resources and figure out what programs your child can participate in. This will help your child and also help convince your child's PO that your child is being productive. Final words of advice.
It is that much more difficult for children of immigrant families to really negotiate successfully out of the system.
Families need to be educated. They need to know what the process is. They need to know how it works.
My recommendation and suggestion is utilize the community resources to reach us.
So it's very important for community-based organizations to link up with juvenile justice system players so that they can help advocate effectively and in a culturally proficient way.
If having a chance, my part is to break down to my parents what happened, not to let them feel that like they can't do nothing, like get them more involved.
A lot of the Asian cultures, out of respect, out of reverence, they often give up a lot of authority to figures like teachers in the schools or to police officers, to judges in the courts. It's a form of reverence and respect, saying, you're in this position of power, so I respect you enough to know that you know what's best for my child, and I give that up to you. Here in this country, however, it's not always like that. I think it's assumed and expected that the parents be the first and foremost advocate for their child.
A lot of Asian parents, they really trust police. They really respect police officers and respect whoever has authority. Those parents need to learn, what's the, there are some good officer and bad officer. There are some good lawyer and bad lawyer.
I think a lot of the judges and the PDs will say, well, it's up to you as a parent to get to the bottom of the situation, to instill discipline, to make sure this child, stays within the limits of the law, and when they do come in the courtroom, that you are also the most informed and you're the strongest advocate for them. But that's not always the case with Asian families.
There are a lot of things they need to learn in order to help the kids, not just point a finger to the kids, say you're bad and they're always right.
Feel your parents in. Don't let them in the dark. And, I guess you could go through it together. It's better together than, by yourself.
Parents, you can make a difference when your child is arrested. Communicate, ask questions, and show your support. This is an extremely stressful time for your child. It is worth discussing what problems have led to their involvement in the system. Many youth have problems with drugs, alcohol, depression, or their anger. Please refer to your pamphlet for community organizations that can help. Many have programs for families with limited financial means. This video was created by the Asian and Pacific Islander Youth Violence Prevention Center with financial help from the following: Alameda County Probation Department, Oakland's Asian Advisory Committee on Crime, the National Council on Crime and Delinquency, Sherry Hirota, board member of the California Wellness Foundation, and Alice Leibitker, Alameda County Board of Supervisors, District 3. For more information, please visit our website at www.yvpcenter.org.